Hi, everybody. I wanted to go over basically what we're doing today and then just kind of give you an update about what things are going to look like going forward. So, we have a journal for today that you'll want to respond to. What is your opinion of love at first sight? So, all you have to do is write 3 sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation. It's up to you what your opinion is. I'm not judging based on that, just want to get you writing every day. And then you have a Shakespeare's language assignment. There are video instructions linked to this assignment, so I'm not going to go over it here. But when you do this assignment, if you are confused, there's a link right here with video instructions. And then, like I said, I just wanted to go over kind of what class is going to look like now that we're starting to read Romeo and Juliet. So I have the Act 1 text, the Act 1 study guide, and then I have the Act 1 audio for you. So it's kind of up to you. Sorry, I'm in the wrong announcement. I'm in the in-person one. So you have a couple of different options. So you can choose to watch the video, which I recorded during my third hour on A Day, and go through it that way. I go over like what's happening in the scene. We go over answers to the study guide. I play the audio. We discuss figurative language. It's very important that you either watch the video or call into a live Zoom. Okay. It's Shakespeare's hard to understand on your own. And so I have this is like a live recording of me in class going over it. Or you can call into the Zoom times for the day and I will go over it live. No one in the class will be able to see you. You could honestly leave your camera off if you wanted to. But if you would rather just watch it live instead of having to watch a recorded video, that's an option as well. But it's really important that you either watch the video or you call into a live class because that's how you're going to understand what's happening in the play. It's going to be very hard for you to understand what's happening if you don't do one of those things. Okay. So, all of these materials, right, you would want to follow along in the text. The study guide, you would answer questions as we go along. And I honestly, with the Shakespeare unit, I give you almost all of the answers, I would say. Okay, so we go over in the video, I go over all of these questions. We write a summary of the scene together. Okay, so much easier to follow along in the video than to try and do it all on your own. If you ever need your materials and you can't remember what day the announcement was in, if you click on modules, I'll move this up to the top, but there is a module and it will have all of that. So it's got the audio, it has the study guide, and I'll make sure that the text gets in there too. I see that it's not in there yet. Okay, so make sure that you're either watching the video over the scene that we read for today or that you're calling into a Zoom and watching it as I talk about it live. Um, don't forget that your expository essay is due today. That's your 3 paragraphs over Shakespeare's life, career, and influence. The link is here. Here's your Zoom links and the times. So it's not the full length of class, but it's about an hour of class time. And if you have questions, just let me know. I won't be doing a Zoom Q&A since I will have those Zoom hours open, but you can always email me or, if you call into one of these Zooms, you can ask a question in the chat. So I hope that you have a great day and let me know if you have questions.